Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this episode. In this episode I will be dealing with the sidewall. This is the sidewall that will remain fixed. The other sidewall will be detachable. In this episode I will be milling the slots for the electrical wires that come out of the ceiling and the rear facade. So the electrical wires will be invisible and will be hidden inside this fixed sidewall. The work doesn't have to be very precise. The slots will be covered, but I do it as good as I can. It's December in Amsterdam and the weather is okay, but it's rather cold. It's about 6 or 7 degrees Celsius. So I cannot do too much outside, but I don't like to do this inside the house because it produces a lot of dust. And I'll try to work outside. Also the painting will be done outside, but I cannot stay too long outside because that will make the paint dry too slowly. But first I'll do the milling. Here I am freehand milling. It's not precise of course, but it's okay, it's no big deal. I use the aluminium L profile as a guide for the milling machine, and that works rather well, but you can do the whole job free-handed basically. So the whole point is that the doll's house will be constructed with 3 fixed walls: the front facade, the side wall and the rear facade. And then there will be the 4th wall will be detachable. Enclosed in the 3 walls will be the ceilings, and in the ceilings there are of course the electrical wires. I'm basically connecting all the dots that are the holes that I drilled off camera. There the electrical wires will be fed through. So you're looking at the outside of course. That will be covered with a smaller panel so that the wires cannot be seen from the outside nor from the inside. I plan to fix the outer layer of the panel of the wall with little magnets so that it can be taken off so that the wires remain accessible if necessary. Here I am coming to the slots for the rear facade. They go a little bit different, but they also have to be inside of the wall. And yes, I have to clean it all up. If you work, it's got to be a clean bench because I'm going to paint and I cannot have the dust around. So first I give it a little sanding. There was already one layer of paint on, and I give it a very light sanding, and then today I will be applying the second layer. I use the matte wall paint, and the color is a very nice cream, as all the other walls are. So this connects nicely with the other facade at the inside. I have sped it up a bit because it's a dull, repetitive work. So now I have to leave it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in part 17.